Hi, in this video we're talking about top 3 niches for YouTube to start your channel. Before we continue our video, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Internet is flooded with ideas, and if you are looking for multiple niches, then you have stopped at the right place, as one can focus and create a valuable business out of it. That's the beauty of the internet. It has space every individual out there. In this article, we'll be discussing the best niches for YouTube 2021 that you can use to be the next big thing. If you are also looking for YouTube channel ideas 2021, then the most quintessential part is to begin with creating a YouTube channel. Make sure all your videos surround to the niche of your channel which you have thought of before starting. Now the biggest cue is, what niche should you pick for your channel? Are you still confused? Selecting the right niche will help you in deciding the growth factor of your channel and your revenue generation. The trick of making random videos of multiple niches won't work if you want growth in your YouTube channel. Why? Because these random videos won't fetch you the right audience that you are about to target. No views will definitely result in a lack of confidence. Therefore, it is essential to choose the right niche to keep the audience hooked to their screens. It goes without saying that you need to pick the best niches for YouTube 2021. If you are looking forward to being the next trending thing, then this is the primary step to understand your audience. Your audience will subscribe to your channel only if they find any fruitful content or other related videos that are worth spending time upon. Certainly, one may flourish themselves and find the best YouTube channel ideas 2021. Make your content so enriched that your subscribers keep coming back for more videos. When you post unrelated content that is not of your niche, you will lose out on your audience. So, let's roll the dice? Here are a few ideas to get inspired from. Take a glance. Best niches to start YouTube channel in 2021. 1. Unboxing. Unboxing niche is the most preferred one amongst other YouTube channel ideas for beginners. The audience loves to watch such videos, as that feels amazing, like a surprise, and they keep on sharing the details while unpackaging and sharing the inside of what's in store. Yes, there are literally a dozen channels that are doing the same thing, and each of them, according to their USP, gets views based on their skills. Remember, stick with the niche. No, you don't need to purchase any expensive gadgets or smartphones. You can simply do the unboxing video on your usual smartphone and start with unboxing toys, food packs, shoes, etc. This is considered as one of the best niches for YouTube 2021. How to monetize. Affiliate marketing. Sponsored videos. YouTube AdSense. 2. Tech and gadget reviews. Before you make the final purchase on an electrical device store, do you even go without watching at least 10 review videos and articles on the same? Reading and watching such articles and videos helps in making an informed decision. One can easily conduct proper research and examine through researching on various competitor websites and accounts. So, if you are an ideal match for explaining the complex features with ease to your listeners, then pretty much, you are a package for this niche. To start a review channel is something you should definitely consider. You can easily get various YouTube channel ideas 2021 after watching some of these videos. How to monetize. Affiliate marketing. Sponsored videos. YouTube AdSense. 3. Life hacks. This is the most loved and the clicked videos of all time. One can watch them for hours without getting bored. To top it off, it is pretty simple as well. The best part is that these videos are not too long, and one can simply click on Best Hacks 101 and watch it over and over. How? These videos are broken under 5 to 10 videos of 4 to 6 minutes each, along with the demonstration, because let's come straight to the point. Visuals are always appealing. If you are also one of those creative individuals who can experiment their way through the medium of hack channel, then this is especially for you. For e.g., you can talk about saving dollars, shopping hacks, airport hacks, beauty-related hacks, daily life, or anything and everything. How to monetize. YouTube AdSense. Hope you guys enjoyed our video. For more videos, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.